Definition of three-phase power star connection. A star connection is a method of connecting a three-phase power source to a three-phase load. Each winding end of the three-phase power source, X, Y, and Z, are connected together to form a common point N, creating four terminals A, B, C, and N. This type of connection is called a star or Y connection of the three-phase power source. The wire from midpoint N is called the neutral or zero line. The current from the terminal line is the line current, and the voltage between terminal lines is the line voltage. The voltage across each phase winding is called the phase voltage. 2. The relationship between line voltage and phase voltage, line current and phase current in a three-phase power source is a common and important issue in electrical calculations. A line voltage contains two phase voltages, so the line voltage will always be greater than the phase voltage, while the phase current is the same as the line current, meaning they are equal. Whether it is three-phase voltage or three-phase current, their relationships are not simple algebraic relationships, but vector relationships. Therefore, they cannot be handled with simple addition and subtraction, but should be determined using vector addition and subtraction. Use UL and UF to represent line voltage and phase voltage, and IL and IF to represent line current and phase current, respectively, with repeated sequences UIUBUF.